I need to be able to separate different users from different actions. In that case, I need to create a role. I'm going to go in the Commvault Command Center. I'm going to click on Manage, click on Security, I'm going to click on Roles. So in this case, I need to find a role that's similar to what I want. Let's click on Client Admin. So under Client Admins, I like pretty much everything about this except for the delete client portion. I want to edit that. I want to make my own changes. I'm going to select Add Role. I'm going to give it a name and give it different permissions. In my case, I gave it permission similar to a client, minus being able to delete the client. Username, the name of the role is Help Desk. So once I'm happy with it, I can either add the user group to it, or I can once I'm happy with it, I can click on security and I can add a user group to it. I'm going to create a user group specific for Help Desk right now. So I select security once again. Then I click on user groups. Then I select add user group. Click on Active Directory. I need to go to Active Directory, add a security group, then add a user for that security group. That is going to be under the Help Desk role. In Active Directory, I've created a user group, which is called Client User. And inside the Client User, I've created a member, which is Jessica. Jessica is going to be a domain user, not a domain admin. She's part of the cluster. She's part of the domain user and as well as the client user. So under my group name, I will note it's client user. I'll click save and it'll create the user group for me. Now I need to add the role of help desk to now I need to add the client user to my help desk role. Back to manage, then security, click on roles, select my help desk, click on security. I'm going to edit it, add the client group, and the role, the help desk. Add. Click on save again. I click on security tab, click on groups, click on my client user. I go over to my Java console, select my roles, I select help desk, associations. I can see I have the client user. Now I'm ready to add the client group permissions. I'm going to select the Dubai, which is right click on it, click on properties. I'm going to select security. I'm going to add the permission of this. So that means that user will be able to log in and view Dubai client group. I'm going to select the domain followed by my groups. Find it down here, which is going to be client. Okay, perfect. Add. So the role I'm going to give this individual is going to be help desk. Notice they don't have the deleted client permission. Click OK. Click OK again. Click on roles. Click on help desk. You'll see that their role is the help desk. Security, same thing. Client user, desk, associations, client group, and entity is Dubai.